Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your game public on Roblox. First, ensure your game adheres to all Roblox community standards. This is crucial for approval. Next, verify that all your game assets are properly configured and loaded. Finally, thoroughly test your game for any bugs or performance issues. A smooth experience is key for new players. Once your game is ready, open Roblox Studio and go to Game Settings. You'll find this option in the Home tab. From there, navigate to the Permissions tab. This is where you control who can access your game. Simply select the public option to make your game visible and playable by everyone on Roblox. After setting your game to public, it's time to publish. Go to the File menu at the top left of Roblox Studio. From the drop-down, select Publish to Roblox As. This action saves your latest changes and applies the public setting. Confirm the update, and your game will officially be live for players to discover and enjoy. Congratulations, your game is now public. To attract players, share your game's unique link across social media platforms. Encourage friends and community members to play and provide valuable feedback. Remember to monitor your game's performance and player engagement metrics. This data helps you make improvements and grow your player base over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.